Hello and welcome to Math 080, Intermediate Algebra. Intermediate Algebra is a developmental course full of all those algebra topics that help build a great foundation for your success in college-level math courses. This is a 4-credit-hour, 16-week course. And even though this course is developmental, you should plan on spending 12 to 18 hours per week working on this course. This is a face-to-face course, but until we are allowed to meet on campus, we will be meeting online live at 8 a.m. Monday through Thursday. I have recorded all my lectures and they can be accessed asynchronously online on Blackboard in the Module Activities folder of the Learning modules for each unit. For now, I'd like us to use our online live class time to ask and answer questions, discuss homework problems, and work on the activity worksheets. My name is Lisa Bieneman, and I'm an adjunct instructor in the mathematics department at Harper College. I've taught a variety of math courses here at Harper, but I specialize in developmental math courses. I began my career teaching all levels of mathematics and computer science at a local high school, and I've been teaching math at Harper for 27 years already. Wow, I just can't believe it's been that long. Teaching math is truly a passion for me, and I work hard to make sure that my students understand not just what to do and how to do it, but why we do what we do in math, and that logic is the foundation for all of it. I also strive to make my courses accessible and equitable for all students, so if there's anything I can do to better support your learning, please let me know. I'm really looking forward to helping you build a strong mathematical foundation so you can successfully complete the rest of your courses on your way to your future career. You can find out more about me by clicking on the Faculty Information tab in the main menu in our course. Let's walk through the rest of the course links in the main menu. So first is the announcements link, which is right here, and I will post important announcements and reminders throughout the semester. These will also be emailed out to your Harper Gmail account. Next is the Syllabus and Schedule tab, where you'll be able to access both a Word and PDF version document of our course syllabus and our schedule at a glance for all 16 weeks of the course. Okay. Note that the days of the week that assignments and tests are due they vary from unit to unit, so please be sure to print out the schedule found on pages 12 to 17 in the syllabus and post it somewhere visible in your home so that you can refer to it often. We can briefly look at the Faculty Information tab, where you can get a sense of my other passions in life. Think family, mountains, hiking, paddling, and mentoring youth, as well as my contact information. The next tab here is COVID reporting. So I inserted this link to help you quickly find information about Harper College's COVID safety precautions and protocols. Please remember that the state of Illinois has mandated that all college faculty, staff, and students taking on-campus classes are required to provide proof of COVID-19 vaccination or weekly test results. Failure to comply with the state mandate may lead to removal from our courses. And this is how the process works. So if you're a current student, you will receive an email from noreply@clearedforwork.com with a personal link to your login. You will submit your proof of vaccination or your current test results. You have to upload them as an image file or a PDF. The system will then notify you if you have been cleared to come to Harper. If you are fully vaccinated and you upload your vaccine card and it is approved, you will only have to do this once this semester. However, if you are submitting to weekly testing, you must submit your test results by noon every Thursday. When you attend class on campus, you must show me your green "Cleared for Harper" screen with the current date. I strongly recommend that you put a shortcut on your smartphone so you don't have to keep digging out that email throughout the semester. And the directions are here for doing this. and I have them both in Word document and PDF form, and they work for both iPhones and Androids. They have separate directions for each. Okay, this is what I did, and it's very easy. Also, if you are experiencing COVID-19 symptoms, which are often like cold symptoms, or if you are awaiting a COVID-19 test results, do not come to campus. If you have tested positive for COVID-19 or have been in close contact with someone who has tested positive, you are expected to notify the college. This will help the college protect the health and safety of our campus. The link to do that is right here. Okay. All right. The next tab is course materials. And course materials is where you'll find some materials and resources for this course, such as how to borrow a Chromebook, Wi-Fi hotspot, or a TI-84 graphing calculator, where you can go for free tutoring on campus. And by the way, we do this on campus and online. A link to our questions asked and answered discussion board. A success strategies document that I put together to help you to be more successful in this course, and instructions on how to get print pages on campus or by uploading them to the Harper College print shop, where you can then pick them up curbside. All right, back in the main menu, the next tab, the next link here is for learning modules. And this is the primary content area of our course that you'll be accessing. This is where you're going to find all of the activities and the assignments for the course. The content of this course is organized into 6 units, but there are actually 8 modules, and I know I only have 2 open right now. They include the orientation module, the 6 unit modules, and a module for the final exam. You will then have 2 to 3 weeks to complete each unit. Please pay attention to those due dates on the course schedule. Each unit's learning module is laid out exactly the same and has 3 components. Let's look at Unit 1. There is a module overview. There is a folder of module activities, and there is a folder of module assignments. So first is that module overview. And this lists the topics and the outcomes of the unit, as well as a list of things that you will find in the module activities folder, and a list of what you will find in the module assignments folder for that unit. So let's now look at the module activities folder. Notice that it says start here. This is where you're going to find several activities to complete to prepare you for the assignments and the test. Begin by printing out the unit lecture guides. If you do not have access to a printer, you can upload them to Harper's Print Shop and pick them up curbside when they're ready. And once we're on campus, you can print them in one of the computer labs. If you're in a crunch, you can use a notebook, but that's going to require a lot more writing. These lecture guides will make up the bulk of your notes, plus they contain lots of examples. When we can meet on campus as originally planned, you should bring them with you to class, and we will fill them out together as we work through the concepts, rules, and examples that they contain. And be sure to add any additional notes that you feel would be helpful to you. But for now, while we are remote, you should work through them and fill them out while you watch the associated lecture videos. They're all here. These videos are screencast recordings that I made of myself teaching the content and working through examples using these lecture guides, just as I would be doing if we were face-to-face on campus. These are located just under the lecture guides. Watch the videos in order while working through the associated lecture guides. You can re-watch whole videos or just watch parts of them as needed until you feel confident that you understand the concepts and skills. You can also pause the videos to work on some of the examples yourself before resuming to see how you did. Once you feel you have a good grasp of the material in a section, you can move on to the homework assignment for that section. So this folder also contains links to other resources such as the multimedia library in the MyLabMath program, a link to our questions asked and answered discussion board, and a unit practice test that's posted here along with its key, as well as a video recording of a previous review session that I did. Many of these resources are optional and you should use them as needed. And there are also great websites like Khan Academy that offer reliable instruction in algebra. Okay, I'm backing out of the module activities folder so that I can go down to the module assignments folder. It says finish here. This folder contains graded assignments such as a reference to the online MyLabMath homework assignments for this unit. I recommend that you make sure that you understand the concepts and skills in each section before trying the corresponding homework assignment. Module assignments folders may also contain a survey, and of course, they always contain a unit test reminder. You should complete these in order by the due dates that are posted. And remember that the unit tests are paper and pencil tests that are to be taken on campus. All right, back to the main menu again. Under Learning Modules, we see the MyLabMath link. Okay, now this is a link to our course on the Pearson MyLabMath website. And once you've registered, you'll enter through this middle course home link. But I'm not going to do this right now. This website is a platform that has all of your homework assignments as well as optional quizzes and tests that I created to help you prepare for the unit test. It also has a multimedia library that I mentioned that contains some great resources, including an electronic version of our actual textbook, video lectures produced by the Pearson Publishing Company, animations, and test prep videos. In a separate video, I will walk you through the process of using this link to register for our course on MyLabMath and provide you some help in using the program. Back in the main menu, the next link is for our discussion board. And you will see that I only have one discussion board forum here, and it is our questions asked and answered forum, where you can post questions or answer questions asked by your classmates. I'm going to go into it. I strongly recommend that you subscribe to this discussion board because doing so will send you an email to alert you when someone has posted something that may be useful for you in this class. This can be a very helpful resource, and I very much prefer that you post your math questions here by creating a thread so that everyone in the course can benefit from the answers. I will be monitoring this discussion board closely and will answer your questions as needed. Questions or comments of a more personal nature should be asked via email or in person. All right, the next link in our main menu is for the virtual meeting room. I'm not going to click on it. This is where we will meet live, excuse me, Monday through Thursday at 8 a.m. until we can meet on campus. You can also make an appointment with me to ask questions, get additional help, or discuss issues you may be facing, and then join me at the day and time we agree upon by clicking this link. Okay. To make an appointment for a video conference with me, you can either talk to me in person when we're on campus together or send me an email. This link uses Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, which works like many other meeting platforms like Zoom and WebEx. The next link in the main menu is the My Grades tab. And this is where you can access all of your scores as well as my feedback and your weighted grade at any time during the course. I have linked our MyLabMath course to this Blackboard course. So all those grades from your MyLabMath homework will automatically be exported from that site to here in your grades in Blackboard. I do have to mention, though, that there is about a 15 to 20-minute lag. So don't expect the grades to end up in Blackboard immediately. It'll take a few minutes. And remember, because I calculate grades using weighted categories, always remember to pay attention to the weighted total in my grades tab in Blackboard to see your current overall grade. Beneath the My Grades tab, there is a tab for Student Support, which will take you to the Student Support page at the Harper College website, as well as a tab for Blackboard Help, which will take you to that. Okay. All right. So this concludes my overview of our course. Please get started as soon as possible by going to Learning Modules, click on Start Here, Course Orientation. Be sure to complete all the orientation activities and then all 4 module assignments by Wednesday, January 19th. After that, you should get started right away on the Unit 1 module. I look forward to meeting you on Tuesday morning, January 18th at 8 a.m. in our virtual meeting room for our first day of class. And hopefully then, sometime soon, in person in room Z102 on campus. I'm really looking forward to working with you, so please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching.